Alright, my kindergartners, recently we've been learning to write out sentences on our own. So before we get to work, let's review a little bit from yesterday. We always have to keep in mind how important it is to have a space between each word as we're writing. So let's take a look at this first example. It's a little bit hard to read, isn't it? Well, I can see it begins with a capital letter, and I can see that it ends with a period, but I don't see any spaces between the words. So I would say this isn't the way I should write. Now, let's take a look at example number 2. This looks like something I can read. I see a capital letter at the beginning, and I see spaces between all of my words, and I see a period at the end. I see a dog. This is how I should write. Remember, when you're writing, use your finger spacer between each word. Your finger will give you just the right amount of space between each word while you're writing, so use it if you feel like you need help. Now let's try one together. I'm going to start my sentence off with the word my. Now, I know what I want my next word to be, but I'm not quite sure how much space I need between these two words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my finger spacer to show me. Now that I have an idea of how much space I need between the word my and my next word, I can add my next word. My brother. So I don't have very much room after the word brother, so I'm going to skip down to the next line to write my next word, so I don't really need to use my finger spacer here. Plays. My brother plays. Now I know what word I want to use to end my sentence, and I have an idea of how much space I need between these two words, but I'm going to use my finger spacer anyways, just to help me out. Football. My brother plays football. And always remember to put a period at the end of your sentence when you're finished. Great job, everyone. Now we're going to take a couple of minutes and write down a couple of sentences in our notebooks independently. So go ahead and take them out and get to work.